So this is option 3 GSX VDGS with a GSX Profile, no Noolaero VDGS. So you've got the Gatwick folder put into the community folder. You just cruise through to sim objects, landmarks, scroll down and delete the Noolaero VDGS. That will stop the Noolaero VDGS showing up and doubling up the units. So you go to the GSX profiles that I've included in the zip, look for GSX profile for GSX VDGS, choose your aircraft type. There's the Airbus A320. You copy that into the GSX profile folder. As easy as that. The most important thing is to delete the sim object in the community folder that I just showed. So starting on the runway with the engines running, you can choose a gate, and then you can choose the services. So in theory all the services should be in the correct position. It seems to work when you've just landed. So I'm gonna cut across the grass and head for stand 104. Just dimming the lights a bit. So this is using the GSX VDGS units. It's just becoming activated now. So these numbers, I don't think it's possible to get rid of them. It's just a thing of a Zobo system, marshalling system that seems to still be there. Just taxiing on now. Because I use the Airbus A320 profile, it should stop in the correct position. A little bit too far. As you can see, all the services are in the correct position. The stairs, the pushback tug, and the stop is roughly on the line. So that's just pure GSX services and VDGS. So because you deleted the Noolaero sim object, it will not be shown. I go on to the guidance unit. That is the GSX version mounted on the pole, and that is option 3.